Introduction to Mary, exploring the significance of Mary's role in Christianity. Today, we gather to embark on a journey into the heart of Christian spirituality, focusing on a figure whose presence has echoed through the ages, Mary, the Mother of God. In this brief talk, we will explore the profound significance of Mary's role in Christianity, from a historical context to her enduring influence on our faith. Historical context. Mary, a young Jewish woman from Nazareth, lived in a time when the world was both hopeful and turbulent. The Jewish people were longing for a Messiah, a Savior promised by the Scriptures. It is against this backdrop that Mary's story unfolds. She was an ordinary person, but her extraordinary encounter with the angel Gabriel set in motion of a change of events that would forever change the course of human history. Bearer of the Incarnation. The heart of Mary's significance lies in her role as the Theotokos, or God-bearer. In her womb, she carried the Word made flesh, Jesus Christ. This miraculous conception, known as the Annunciation, marked the union of divinity and humanity, a momentous event that bridges the gap between heaven and earth. Through Mary's yes to God's plan, she becomes the vessel through which God enters the world in human form. Model of faith and obedience. Mary's response to the angel's message, often referred to as fiat, is a model of unwavering faith and obedience. Her humble submission to God's will teaches us the essence of true discipleship, the willingness to surrender our plans to God's purpose. Mary's "Let it be done unto me according to your word" exemplifies the trust we should have in God's providence even when faced with uncertainties. Motherly love and compassion. As the mother of Jesus, Mary shared in his joys and sorrows. We see her maternal love displayed at the wedding at Cana, where she intercedes for the couple when the wine runs out. Her concern for others, even in the smallest of matters, highlights her compassionate and nurturing nature. In this, she becomes a symbol of God's boundless love for humanity. Crucifixion and resurrection. Mary's role extends to the most pivotal moments of Jesus' life. At the foot of the cross, her presence witnesses the ultimate sacrifice for humanity's salvation. Her endurance in witnessing her son's suffering and death exemplifies the strength that comes from deep faith, a model of faith and obedience, a motherly figure of love and compassion, and a witness to the central events of our faith. Mary's story reminds us that God chooses the humble and ordinary to accomplish extraordinary purposes. As we delve deeper into Mary's life and legacy throughout this daily program, let us contemplate her example and seek inspiration to align our lives more closely with God's will. May Mary's yes to God's plan be an echo in our hearts as we navigate our own faith journeys.